How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply reverse video in Alight Motion, or if that's even possible. So if we basically navigate through the Alight Motion page right here, we can then go ahead and clearly see that there isn't a reversed function on the application. So anywhere you browse through the editing section, unfortunately, there isn't a way for us to actually reverse the video. So I'm going to tell you or lead you to another software that's going to be CapCut. It's one of the most popular video editors out there because unfortunately we cannot reverse a video in Alight Motion. In here, just click on the new video option. And then right after, just go ahead and import your video and you'll have this reversed function right here for a CapCut basically ready to use. And right after exporting, you could just head over to your Alight Motion and you can simply import the reversed video that we have made from CapCut. So unfortunately, as of the moment, that's the only way to do it. Just click on the plus icon, click on media, and go ahead and import the video that we have reversed on the other software. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.